Camp Griddle, spring is in the air and the Easter season is upon us. It is that amazing time of year for those spring break RV trips and those spring break camping trips. So let's make a recipe that you might want to make on your vacation. Let's get camping and let's get cooking, and let's make my carrot cake pancakes with cream cheese frosting. Camp Griddle, let's start by peeling and grating our carrots, and we want to use a really fine grater for this because we're going to integrate these carrots into our pancake mix, and we want them to cook up nicely and get nice and warm, and we want them to not be too chunky. Now we can put those aside for a second and let's get our pancake mix together. We're going to use about 1.5 cups of the Krusteaz pancake mix, a cup of water, then we're going to do 2 big scoops of the brown sugar, 3 shakes of the cinnamon, 3 shakes of the ground ginger, 3 shakes of the ground nutmeg, and just a little bit of the vanilla, and then we're going to add our carrots in and stir it all together, and that consistency is looking pretty good to me, and it's also smelling really good right now. Now we can put our carrot cake pancake mix off to the side and start to make part of our special topping over on the single burner in our skillet. As you can see, we are not on level ground here and our butter all slid to the bottom, but guess what? We can adjust the feet on our single burner camping stove with this Blackstone. Now we are going to use a cream cheese frosting for our topping, but we're also gonna add a scoop of this special little mix I've got going here. We're gonna use half a stick of butter, a couple more scoops of the brown sugar, and then we are going to put in our walnuts and let them toast up and let all of that blend together. And that's gonna go right on top of our cream cheese frosting right at the very end. Let's get our griddle onto medium-high heat and give it a butter bath. The proportions that we used are going to be perfect for 4 larger pancakes. After a couple of minutes, they are ready for a flip, and we've got some nice butter rings, and they are looking good, and they are almost done. Now let's get these plated on our cutting board, and we're gonna add some of the frosted cream cheese. I'm not gonna put too much on here. Sean was like, aren't you putting more? I was like, no, I'm gonna be a little subtle here because I've also got that delicious mixture from the skillet with the butter and the brown sugar and the walnuts. We're gonna give them a scoop of that, and we're gonna add just 3 golden raisins on top, and these are ready to eat. Carrot cake pancakes with cream cheese frosting and Jeremy's additional topping with brown sugar and walnuts and butter. Smells so good, looks so good. Let's dive in and take a really big bite that could get a little messy. We just used 1 carrot here to make our 4 pancakes, and that gave it just enough of the carrot flavor for me, but I also love all of that brown sugar. And the cream cheese frosting does melt a little bit on these, but it kind of melts into perfection and almost kind of takes on the texture of a syrup. And then the brown sugar and the walnuts together give it such a nice crunch. Love having this side burner, love adding the skillet into the mix when cooking breakfast at the campground.
Raisins were just there.
And the raisins are a bonus, okay? If you want more golden raisins in these, go ahead and throw the golden raisins right into your pancake mix, or you could throw them right into the butter, walnut, brown sugar situation, combine them there, but I just went with a delicate touch and 3 golden raisins on top to finish things off. And by the way, you could just go syrup on these. You don't need the cream cheese frosting, you don't need the additional brown sugar, butter, walnut thing. Works with syrup. So delicious, so good. Awesome treat for an Easter RV trip. I think your kids will love these. I think these are a crowd pleaser. Super, super good. Now I have to be honest, I am not a fan of golden raisins. Forgive me. Every recipe for carrot cake seems to have the golden raisins in them, so I compromised by just putting a couple on at the end, and they tasted quite good, but I definitely didn't want to insert them all throughout the carrot cake pancake mix. These came out awesome. These are a real treat. Super easy to make at the campground. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you are going to be enjoying an awesome camping trip if you're not on one right now. Let me know in the comments below, where is everybody camping for spring break? Where is everybody camping this spring? The weather is finally beautiful here at Camp Griddle. I would love to know where you're going next, and I would love to see you all next week right here on Camp Griddle.